Hey everyone, welcome back to English Dialogue Box. Some conversations only happen when the road is quiet, the city lights are passing by, and no one is asking you to explain yourself. This is a late-night drive between two friends where jokes turn into honesty and silence speaks louder than words. If you've ever felt lost but still moving, this conversation is for you. Let's begin.
Seatbelt on?
Yeah, emotionally, no.
Good. At least one of us is secured.
Why do you always drive like you're negotiating with the road?
Because roads respond to confidence and fear. Mostly fear.
You slow down like potholes or hiding with intent.
They are. This city has trust issues.
Turn the music up.
If I do, you'll start thinking.
I'm already thinking.
Then we're already in danger.
Do you ever notice how driving at night makes conversations heavier?
Because daylight lies. Night tells the truth.
That was deep for someone who missed the indicator again.
I indicate spiritually.
The cars behind us don't understand spirituality.
Remember when we used to talk about the future like it was a destination?
Yeah, like we'd arrive and unpack happiness.
Now it feels like the future keeps moving the location.
With poor network coverage.
And no customer support.
If someone asked you now, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Still tired.
That answer is aging well.
Because it's honest. 5 years ago, I'd say successful.
Define successful.
Exactly. That's the problem.
I thought graduating would clear things up.
It cleared the timetable, not the confusion.
Now every day looks free but feels expensive.
Because every choice costs something. Slow down. There's a speed breaker.
Life has many. None are marked.
You're mixing philosophy with bad driving again.
That's my brand.
Do you feel behind?
Behind whom?
Everyone.
Comparison is the fastest car on this road, and it crashes everyone.
Nice line.
I practice during traffic.
I used to think effort guarantees results.
Effort guarantees effort. Results are optional.
That's depressing.
It's realistic, which is worse.
Sometimes I miss being clueless.
Same. Awareness is heavy.
Ignorance was peaceful.
Until exams.
Now life feels like a permanent exam.
With no syllabus and random checking. Red light.
Every red light feels like a pause button on my thoughts.
Good. Let them breathe.
What if they start screaming?
Then we laugh. That's our coping strategy.
Do you think we chose the wrong path?
I think we chose a path without a map.
Everyone else looks like they know where they're going.
They're just driving faster. Doesn't mean it's the right direction.
I feel guilty resting.
I feel guilty doing nothing and guilty doing too much.
So when do you feel okay?
In between songs. For about 3 seconds.
Change the song.
Why?
Because this one reminds me of college.
You miss it?
I miss the version of me that believed everything would work out.
It still might.
You sound hopeful.
I sound tired but optimistic. It's a new personality.
What scares you these days?
That I'll get used to being unhappy.
That's honest.
What scares you?
That I'll be busy forever and fulfilled never.
We should put that on a poster.
Too real for decor.
You know what this drive is?
Therapy we can't afford.
And silence we don't need to explain.
Do you ever feel like talking doesn't fix anything?
It doesn't, but it stops things from breaking inside.
That counts.
Green light.
Go.
I am. Slowly.
Story of our lives. If we end up somewhere average, will you be okay?
If average means peaceful, yes.
What if it's just okay?
Then we make jokes and survive.
Promise we'll keep talking like this.
As long as we keep driving.
Deal. This silence feels comfortable.
That's how you know it's safe.
Thanks for the drive.
Thanks for the company.
Same time next week?
Yeah, life will give us new material.